what David Wilson said after Roxy emerged winner of Ultimate Love Season 1 will shock you. Recall that Rosie, who was jilted by David Wilson, was announced as the winner alongside her partner Kachi. Roxy, after winning the love show Ultimate Love Season 1, David took to his social media space to profess love to Presh Talker. David, who many were expecting that he should have at least post a congratulatory tweet, but rather he shared a photo of himself and Presh Talker and captioned it, "My ultimate." So guys, what do you think about what David Wilson just did? Instead of congratulating Roxy, is there updating us on his own happening? Well, I know it's not bad, but he should at least show love to the winners of the Ultimate Love show. What do you think, guys? Drop your comments in the section below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops.